Hello everyone, welcome back to my shop. So here's a quick little video on wood fill. I have a chip in this textured melamine. I'm gonna fill it with wood filler. This wood filler here is different than this wood filler. So this is soft putty. Take off the cap, you could see it. I could use this, or I could use this. It's just a different version of wood filler. I use this for my wood projects. I use this for more of my melamine and laminate projects. And they have all different colors of this stuff. I can't even see it anymore.